Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to delete objects and text boxes in Google Slides on the web. Navigate to the slide that contains the object or text box you want to delete. Click on the slide thumbnail in the left sidebar and it'll appear in the main canvas. Now here's the critical part. You need to select the object properly. Click on the border of the text box or object. Don't click inside the text. Click directly on the outline. You'll know you've done this correctly when you see a blue outline with resize handles appear around the entire object, and there's no blinking text cursor inside. This matters because if you click inside the text box by mistake, you'll enter text editing mode, and pressing delete will only remove individual characters instead of the whole box. If that happens, just press escape once to exit text editing mode, then click the border again. Once you've got the object selected with that blue outline showing, press the delete key on your keyboard. You can also use backspace. Both work the same way. The object will disappear from the slide immediately. If you accidentally deleted the wrong object, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac right away to undo it. The object will come back. Here are a couple of useful things to remember. If you need to delete multiple objects at once, hold Shift and click on each object's border to select them all together, then press Delete. They'll all disappear in one go. And if you close the presentation without saving, you can recover deleted objects by going to File, then Version History, then See Version History to restore a previous version of your slides. Thanks for watching.